This video lecture is brought to you by Government Polytechnic College, Valangaman. I am M. Raj Mohan, guest lecturer from Department of Mechanical Engineering, giving you video lecture on hydraulic shaper machine. Let us start with definition of shaper machine. Shaper machine is used for cutting external keyways in workpiece. In normal shaper machine, it uses crank and lever mechanism, but in hydraulic shaper machine, it uses piston and cylinder mechanism. During the forward stroke of this hydraulic shaper machine, piston moves forward so that it pushes the ram. That is why cutting tool cuts the workpiece. During the backward stroke, there is no metal cutting. Therefore, ram quickly return to its final position. This is called quick return motion. This quick return motion will be explained at the end of this lecture. This is the line diagram of hydraulic shaper machine. The main parts of this shaper machine is ram. This ram is fitted with piston and cylinder and direction control valve. The main parts for hydraulic circuit is oil tank and oil pump. This is the fixed displacement pump, and the DCV used here is 5x3 spool type DCV, and cutting tool, workpiece and reversing lever. These are the major parts, and we have to know the working principle or working of this hydraulic shaper machine. For that, this diagram shows first position, I mean forward position of this shaper machine. For this forward position, port P and A is connected. By the same time, port B and E is connected. Therefore, oil flow from P to A and it will reach piston head side, and by the same time, oils in piston rod side will go to oil tank through port B and E. I mean forward position. During this forward position, P and A is connected and B and E is connected. B and E is connected. Therefore, this fixed displacement pump lifts oil and it supplies to hydraulic piston through port P and A. Therefore, oil available in piston head side which pushes the piston to forward direction. Therefore, oil available in piston rod side, it goes to oil tank through port B and E. At this stage, the reversing lever is position. When the ram moves forward, the reversing lever comes to this position. Therefore, it will change the position of direction control valve. It will change the direction control valve position to second position. This line diagram shows backward position of hydraulic shaper machine. In this backward position, you can find some differences. That is, port P and B is connected. Therefore, port P is for pump, B is for backward position. Therefore, oil from port B will reach port B, and port A, E is connected. Therefore, oil can go through A to E, and the reversing lever position is changed. This is the current position of reversing lever. This lever position makes the direction control valve position, and it will connect P, B, A, E. Therefore, this position is current position. And when this position is activated, pump delivers oil to port P and it will go to port B, and it will reach piston rod side. Therefore, it pushes the piston to backward direction. By the same time, oil available in piston head side will go to oil tank through port A and E. This is the working for backward stroke of hydraulic shaper machine. During this backward stroke, the reversing dog will touch the reversing lever and it will make the position to this position. Therefore, this position of reversing lever will change the direction control valve position to forward position. Therefore, it will change the connectivity of port P and A and B, E. This will change the direction. By the same time, it changes the stroke forward and backward. In this mechanism, forward and backward stroke is changed automatically due to this lever mechanism. This is the backward stroke positions. Next is quick return motion. Speed of the piston is inversely proportional to pressure acting area. This diagram shows how the quick return motion works. In this diagram, there are two areas. One is piston head side area, other one is piston rod side area. Piston head side area is larger and piston rod side area is smaller. Therefore, there is area difference. This area difference creates speed difference. That is explained in this sentence. In forward stroke, pressure acts across the piston head area so that speed is low because speed is inversely proportional. In backward stroke, pressure acts across the piston rod side area so that speed is more. In forward stroke, pressure acting area is larger, therefore more pressure is required. That is why speed is slow. In backward stroke, pressure acting area is smaller, therefore small pressure can move the piston, therefore speed is more. That is how quick return mechanism works. That is all about hydraulic shaper. Thanks for watching.